Hello there. Today we are going to test DJI OSMO Mobile with Xiaomi Yi Camera. On this test we need DJI OSMO, Xiaomi Yi Camera, and 2 rubber bands. You may also need a phone to see the preview of what you are recording from Xiaomi Yi Camera. Basically, we put our smartphone directly to DJI OSMO like this, and with this action camera we can't put it like the usual smartphone because the size is very different with smartphone, so we have to trick it a little bit. The easiest way to do this is by using the rubber band like this. And the most importantly, we have to block the sensor that detects the smartphone, whether the smartphone has attached on DJI OSMO or not. But don't forget to remove the cover on the sensor when you store DJI OSMO after using it with Yi Camera, so it will not turn on and automatically move the gimbal on your back. The trickiest part is to stabilize the gimbal because the weight of Yi Camera is not like the smartphone. It's very different on size, and we have to put it more to the left and make sure it doesn't fall off easily. Alright, I think it's stable now and we can try to record it right away. You may also need a phone to see the preview of what you are recording from Xiaomi Yi Camera. And open the Action app on the phone. And connect it to the camera through Wi-Fi. Yep, it's already connected. But wait, don't forget to cover the sensor on the DJI OSMO Mobile. So here I use the cap from the Yi Cam lens. You can also use the paper to block the sensor. Yep, I think it's done and we can try to record it right now. The only downside is we can't record from the usual position, but we need to record it from the back side, so it's not like the normal way to record it, but it works. The gimbal is working perfectly, so it fully works for Yi Camera or GoPro action camera. You only need to use 2 rubber bands and block the built-in sensor on DJI OSMO Mobile. So that's how you do it. Is it a good idea? Please share your opinion about this trick and let me know if you have better idea to use Yi Camera on DJI OSMO Mobile. Thanks for watching and don't forget to watch other videos, subscribe, like and share this video to your friends. See you on the next video.